Oh, I can't do it. Oh, thanks. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's me, Know the Girl, and Ben Moran. Yeah, welcome back to another video. I'm here with a guest. You're a guest. He's the Illuminati. And you won't be able to see his face. How do you feel?
Until 18.
Until
I'm 18.
Wait, what? 18? You're joking, right? Oh my god, Jimmy, no, the light! No, the light, please! Please! I will catch you! Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay. Okay, now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay. Rub. Rub. Sorry, you couldn't see my awesome dad.
Kerry, you want some soup?
I'm alright, ladies and thanks.
Graham?
No, I'm gonna get some.
It's freezing! Go.
Boys,
Yeah?
come back here.
Alright, now watch me whip. I'm going up here.
No, well, you'll not see it there.
Alright, is it going off right now?
He's going to put a rocket on.
Jimmy. Right, hold on.